This is Mike from Star City Fitness. I'm here today with Dr. Brian Bayer of Ascend Chiropractic. Today we're going to be doing the clinical follow-up of the deadlift mobility stuff that we've covered yesterday.
Thanks, Mike. Today we're just going to show you a few ways to improve thoracic mobility and range of motion.
The first thing we want to address is any pec tightness that might be causing that over-rounding and flexion in the thoracic spine. So this corner stretch is a great way to do both pecs at the same time. You just place your arm up as Tommy has him here, and then press your chest slightly inward as just to get a good stretch. If the corner stretch might be just a little too much this time, we can do an individual stretch. You'll start even with the doorway here, take one step back with your left foot as she does, and then rotate the body to stretch that right-sided pec. Foam rolling is a very simple and effective way to work on extension of your thoracic spine. As you can see here, she has her arms crossed, the neck is in just slight extension, and she's just working over the area of the thoracic spine. You can work on 4 to 6 inch segments, but she's pretty much working the whole area here.